happens to me one time that I got totally drunk. Uy, wag ganyan, sir. Wag ganyan. Wag kang mag-live sa earth. Delikado yan. Nagpunta ka dyan para magtrabaho para sa pamilya mo, hindi mag-live sa earth. Sometimes it's good to remember and celebrate. Yes, Simon, you are right, Simon. So I think, Simon, you got a very good day today. Yes, Arthur is also giving a very good advice. He is right. He is right, Simon. Did I correct your, did I pronounce your name correctly? Is that Simon? Ito naman napaka-serious. I have, and it's you that has made it magnificent. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's my pleasure to give a good vibes to everyone, guys. But I know sometimes, you know, most of the time I'm very serious, by the way. Yes, Arthur is from Brazil. Whatever, Arthur is from Brazil. He's a very good person. Cause God give me you. God give me you. Whatever, from where are you? Arthur is asking you back. India. Ah, okay. Okay. Cause God give me you. God give me you. Thank you so much, Arthur. Thank you so much. Naim Odin, welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you, Naim. No, we call it siksik in Philippines. Sexy, for me, sexy is slim. So, in Philippines, we call it siksik. You know? Wala ba boxers ang BS? Boxers meron po sa pink. Kaso lang pang babae siya, hindi siya yung tipong pang lalaki. Punta ka ng ano, sir? Kung para sa'yo, punta ka ng American Eagle. Meron ba American Eagle dyan? I missed your question. I was typing. Maybe I was trying to interact with other people's comments. I asked you, Simon, did I pronounce it correctly, Simon? Nick. Yes po, Sir Sonji. Ano lang yung boxer namin. Minsan sinusuot ko rin dito sa live ko. Sa pink, but that's boxer for lady. Cause God give me you. Random question. Random question. Nakauwi ka na, Sir Sonji.